Hello, my name is Antti Pietarinen.
Hello, my name is Harri Ruusinen.
And Elements is a core of WithSecure. So yesterday we have seen brand new security features and service launches. And now with Harri we discuss more about what is Elements Cloud Foundations and how it continues to evolve.
And everything started 3 years ago. We had 4 different products. We had Elements EPP, Endpoint Protection, Elements Detection and Response, we had Elements Collaboration Protection, and then also Elements Vulnerability Management. We started to combine all these 4 products under single management platform, which is called Elements Security Center. One place you can manage all of those. But it actually started much bigger change. It wasn't just that we are combining products to one single management. So Antti, what actually happened?
Elements Security Center changed how we build security. And it started a series of big changes on system level that enables things like Elements level data fusion, smooth and seamless feature integrations, and many other improvements that we see in Elements today. So Security Center is built around your environment. We have devices managed with Elements Agent or unmanaged devices from device discovery. We have cloud assets of different type, identities from Entra ID, and network information from our endpoint telemetry or from network scans. And from each of these sections, you will find everything there is to be found about related assets.
And now when we have all this information in the Elements platform, you can see under environment a lot of different kind of things. So you can understand your security posture. You know that what kind of patches you are missing, what kind of applications you have that you should start updating automatically. Or of course you can do that manually as well. But then we just launched exposure management, which gives you then bigger understanding, real clarity to your whole environment. What are those potential risks that you should start mitigating before something bad happens? If we dive into those details, what else we did? We introduced security events, one single location where you can see all of those detections from all of these products. If you have XDR detection, you can find those details from one place, but if maybe you have something that started from the email, it needs to be in the same location that you have clear visibility that what is the current situation in the organization. But Antti, we have a lot of information there. How can we really give this easily to our partners and customers? They can see that what has happened really.
Yeah. This unification is a common theme in Elements Security Center. So we have introduced every single different report type in one place, under reports. And there you can find new report called My Report, which is a new customizable report where you can define your data sources, where the information is coming. You can choose the different types of visualizations for the data. And soon, you can also schedule generation and automatic delivery of that report into your mailbox. And Harri, I'm really proud of our R&D teams delivering these changes with increasing pace. And for example, in few weeks, these new improvements on reports will be going to production. So how do you in sales and your teams keep updated with all these changes?
So in the Elements Security Center, in the right upper corner, you can see this What's New button. I really highly encourage you to use it. We have 2 weeks release cycle. We are introducing constantly, continuously, all new features and capabilities to the Elements platform. Like Antti just said, this is the best way to know and understand that, okay, what are those new things that we are bringing, how to use it, what's the value for you. So don't miss it. But Antti, this is just like still start. What is happening next in the Elements platform?
Like you heard yesterday, we introduced identity security. And together with collaboration protection and our endpoint products EPP and EDR, it forms Elements XDR, Extended Detection and Response. Last year, we introduced Cloud Security Posture Management. And now, again yesterday, you saw new attack path features, attack surface management, and that all is now combined into Elements Exposure Management. Another angle, so we have launched WithSecure MDR, Managed Detection and Response. And together with co-monitoring, that's a core of our co-security services. And last but not least, we have Partner Portal, our commercial platform, including support features and WithSecure Academy, our learning center. And this actually gives you the full scope of Elements Cloud. Harri, we have some features on this Elements core level that we can highlight.
So let's dive into Elements Cloud more. Let's start from integrations. You have seen already those two product launches, exposure management and also identity security. So that will actually start integrating identity platforms with Elements. And when we have this information, then we know that, okay, what are those potential threats around identities? Or we know also that, okay, this identity is already under attack. What should we do? How to react? Additionally, of course, Elements Security Center administrators, when you are operating, you are using Elements Security Center, then it would be really handy to use the same credentials that you are using every single day when you are logging to your device, right? SSO. Soon you can start using your own same account that you are using in your computer. You can also log into the Elements Security Center automatically. But Antti, if we would like to integrate Elements data to other platforms, what can we do?
Well, we have Elements API that you can find from connect.withsecure.com. So it's getting new capabilities. For example, an option to run advanced response actions over secure API connection. But we are also introducing a new module in Microsoft Azure Marketplace. And with this module, you can integrate Elements data feeds into your Microsoft Sentinel using native Azure technology.
And does this mean that I don't need to use an Elements connector anymore?
Yes. So with this technology and with this module, it's a cloud-to-cloud integration. You don't need to have Elements connector acting as a proxy in between.
All right, so let's then go to unification. So maybe you have seen this many times when you have created new users to the Elements Security Center. So we combine user management to one single location where you can easily start adding different kind of roles to users. You can tell that, okay, this user can see EPP and XDR related detections, but maybe only read-only access to email traffic and Teams, so collaboration protection. But we have heard your feedback. We know that this is not enough. What's happening next, Antti?
Okay, in that area we are introducing, the next thing we are introducing is actually Elements level administrator role. So it simplifies a big time how you can take our services in use. You just have one role, and with that you can start to assign different roles and create new users. And then if we look a bit further in our roadmap, the key focus area for us is to introduce asset groups. So for example, ability to define device groups that you can use to model your environment for more efficient and controlled operations. And then we have also heard your feedback about the need to have more granular, permission-based role definitions. And that's a clear direction we are taking going further.
And I'm pretty sure that you haven't missed Luminen AI. I hope that you have already heard about it a few times. We will highlight this one more time, because this is the platform level feature that we actually brought to Elements Cloud. Here you can see, for example, one XDR detection, which includes multi-host incident, couple of different devices related to this one single incident. So what is the first step that you want to do? You want to understand what has happened here, right? How can you do it? With Ruusinen AI, your personal assistant, think about that AI, or how I'm thinking about it is that AI is like an extra team member for you. So this virtual person can help you to do analysis. You click the button, in 3 seconds you will get the nice summary, what has happened, and you will get the most important events there, that where to focus. But Antti, this is not just around this XDR detection, it's the platform feature, right?
Yeah, we have built a generative AI platform for Elements, and it enables us to introduce capabilities throughout our whole portfolio. Another example of Ruusinen is this situational awareness assistant that you can find from security events. And using that, you can get executive overview with recommendations from data from your whole environment with one click.
Well, these are really cool capabilities and new functionalities in the Elements portal, but Antti, how can we help our partners and customers to start enabling this much easier?
Well, actually, we are changing the way our new capabilities are made available for our users. So just last week, we activated a new trial flow within the product. So if you are, for example, EBP EDR user at the moment, with a single click in Elements Security Center, you can get your access to collaboration protection and immediately start exploring its capabilities. And Harri, we have our IDS portal, ids.withsecure.com, which is also integrated in the top corner of Elements Security Center, and that's where we collect input from our customers. Can you imagine what is the most voted feature that we have received through that portal?
Well, yesterday I discussed with one of our partners, and I still remember that question. So, are we really going to get that dark mode to Elements Security Center? So that it must be that.
Correct. That's the one. So, yeah, we all agree that especially in conditions like this, the bright colors are hurting your eyes, and yes, we are definitely working on getting that available as soon as possible.
All right, so please come to the booths, those demo areas. If you haven't been there already, you will hear more about all of these new capabilities and functionalities. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Antti and Harri. And as mentioned, you are at the WithSecure Experience booth, so people can find you there as well. If there are any questions. Because of the time, we move forward to the next speaker. You can stay for a minute. And the next speaker in line is Teemu, and he will talk about what outcomes our incident response service bringing to our customers. So please welcome to the stage, Teemu.